No.
Oh, adios. Oh, there I go again. Well, the snow's deep.
Hello everyone!
Hey everybody!
So today we're doing a hike to the basin, which is like a big pool of water basically. And seems kind of self-explanatory.
Yeah.
But there's also some waterfalls with it along the way, so hopefully we'll get to see those. And then we might continue on to Lonesome Lake, but we'll see how it goes. It'll be 6 miles round trip if we do that, and it'll be 2.5 if we just do the basin. So we'll see how we feel.
Yeah, so come on with us.
Let's go. The basin. Very exciting. So exciting.
Just kidding. Here's the basin. All right, we are now heading up to the Lonesome Lake.
Lonesome Lake, yeah, and there should be a couple waterfalls on the way. So we'll see if we can find them. And yeah, it's gonna start going uphill.
Yeah, so I'll show you the waterfalls if we see them.
Hello.
Hi, we traveled less
Not very far.
than a mile.
Yeah.
0.2.
Are you guessing?
I'm guessing. We hardly went anywhere. I'm
It's
out of breath.
all uphill though. 3.5 miles of this. So, more to look forward to. But the lake should be pretty if we make it.
If we make it, yes. Hopefully we make it so we can show you guys what the lake looks like. And hopefully it should still be frozen, so we should still be able to walk on it. But we'll see when we get up there.
Well, it doesn't take us so long to get there. That's dark by the time we get there.
All right, off I go.
Good job. Not so easy. Oh, you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah? You thought that you were gonna make that look easy?
Yeah, I thought so. Let me try again. Oh,
You okay?
just exhausted.
It's probably slippery from the ice. Yay!
I'm a monkey. All right, coming down.
Okay.
Oh.
Snow! See? There's like nothing under it but ice and then water. Like a little bridge.
A little ice bridge.
Let's see if I break it.
are 1.3 miles away from Lonesome Lake.
Almost there.
Yes.
We thought we were only a third of the way there, so it's very exciting. We're actually halfway.
Yeah.
And yeah, we might get there before it gets dark, actually.
Which is great. So we'll let you know if
we
make it. Yeah. It all depends on how slow we are and when
Very
the sun
slow.
sets,
We're
which
very
we
slow.
are very slow because we are out of shape.
Yes.
AKA the name below the tree line.
We can't make it above the tree line.
Yes.
Yeah. One day we can change the name to above and below.
Or something.
Throughout the tree line.
But yeah, we'll let you know how far we make it.
0.8 miles to go.
Wow, we're almost there. Looks promising.
Technically like a third of 2/3.
We'll be
We're
there.
gonna be technical.
I think we can make it now. I feel confident.
I feel more confident, yes.
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 So, it looks like you'll see the lake. Adios. Oh.
Not very far.
That wasn't as far as yours.
Here, let me try it. No, still not that far.
Yeah. Huh.
Before it went like all the way to my waist.
Hey everybody.
We made it to the lake.
We made it.
And you can walk across it apparently because it's still frozen. Like there's tracks and multiple people doing it. So we're gonna give it a try.
Hey everybody. So we made it to the lake.
Yeah.
Now we're heading back down. Camera's dying, so probably
Not get much video until we're back down.
let you know when we get back to the car.
The lake was super pretty.
It was.
It was worth the climb.
You still kind of see it.
Yeah. We're up by the hut, but it's closed for the winter. All boarded up.
Yeah.
Look how much snow there is though. Like this is, when you step off trail, this is how deep the snow is. Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah, very deep.
Okay, so we'll see you at the bottom.
Bye.
Oh.
We are back.
We're done with the hike.
Yeah.
We made it back.
It wasn't bad. It was mostly downhill, so that made it very easy until the end, when then it was all uphill again.
It was right at the basin where it was uphill.
Yeah, so it wasn't bad.
But coming down, it was nice.
Much quicker.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah.
So thanks for coming on our hike. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and come follow us on our next adventure. If you want to see us camp here
Down the street.
at Lafayette Place Campground, we'll post that video up in that corner for you guys to watch. So thanks for coming along with us.
Thanks, guys.
See you next
Bye.
time.